Hey guys, how are you learning? Today I'm gonna show you the programs that I wrote using Kotlin Language. I am new at this technology and this language, but Android is something that I wanted to learn a long time before. So I'm gonna run my first program, which is focused on flow control. Um, and yeah, things like that, the basics. First, we're gonna enter a number. And the program will tell us if it's positive or negative. For the next part, we're gonna enter an operator. And right here, we can see that the program is doing that operation that we just entered. For the next part, we are displaying with the for loop a list or an array of superheroes. First, we're using uh, the even numbers of the indexes, and for the rest, we are displaying all the array. Next, we are working with the do while loop, and we are supposed to type numbers until we enter number 0. So the program will sum up those numbers until that 0 number. For the next part, something similar. We are supposed to enter numbers, but if we enter a negative number, the program will not work with those negative numbers. So here we have it, the result of that sum of numbers. And this is the code that I have. First, we're working with conditionals. We are noting some points about mutable and mutable variables. Then we're going over when statements. For the next part, we are working with for loops and arrays. For the next part, we are working with do while and type conversions. And for the last part, I'm working with continue keyword, and also there is a chance to work with break keyword. And that's it, the first part. Then we're gonna work with functions and classes. So I'm gonna run the program, and here we'll see just some operations. First, working with functions, displaying a greeting, and also doing an operation. And also there is a simulation of working with objects based on a class, a computer class. And here I'm going to show you how is that class like. And we have the class computer, and we have some variables, some functions, and a display status function. And we can see it right here. First, we are calling the first function right here. Then we are sending some values to another function, the operate numbers function, and displaying the result. And for the last part, we are creating two objects, computer 1 and computer 2, and doing some things with those virtual computers. And that's all for that part. And finally, I wanted to show you how I tried to combine all those things that I learned in creating a student program registration. First, I'm gonna type the name of student, in this case, my name. And we can see that we are creating a profile, displaying information, and also creating two other students just to make it faster, and displaying the list of the class with everybody registered. But now I'm gonna unregister somebody like me. And there it is. I'm unregistered, and now I'm gonna drop a student, but in this case I'm gonna drop Juan. So there it is. We have the list where I am unregistered and Juan has been dropped from the list. That's all for now. Thank you.